friends, I am Eswar from grade 8. Now I am here to say about the children's circuit lab which was programmed in our school. Even though there were many camps conducted in our school, but I had joined only in this camp because our Eswar sir had introduced Sujalam Supalam, a program which was conducted by the ETV. At that program, Eswar sir had showed many effects to make us in a good level. That had increased my confidence level to join in this circuit lab. Here we are to do many projects, basic concepts, and we are doing invention and innovations. We can answer like a engineering students, and here we had learned many projects like water level indicator, light activated switch, and etc. At the first day, we had Eswar sir had introduced many projects which were inspired by us. At the first day, our Eswar sir had showed many projects that was very useful to the society. Once if we go into the society, we can see many problems, but just we are leaving them. We are not finding any solution to them. So we had done an electric solution for that, and the projects done by the sir is so much useful for the society. And here we can see that past made in Japan, present made in China. Now let us make it happen made in India. This was our main concept to do many electrical projects in this camp. This was so useful, and I am feeling so bad because many things were imported from other countries. But when we can export from our country to others, due to this reason, the rupees value in our India was getting low. So here we can see that now let us make it happen made in India. So this camp was very useful to do many projects. By this, the rupees value will be increased in the India. Many problems will not be arised in our minds. And we have first day we had saw many projects in this camp. At second day we had made a water level indicator. This was the project which was done by this in the second day. This had many advantages to do this. When the water level was very low, we can see that green bulb was glowing. When we on the motor, it keep on increases. So when the medium level occurs, we can see yellow bulb was glowing. When the overflow was coming, we can see that more water wastage and electricity was wasting a lot. So by this water scarcity and electricity rupees were so much increasing. If the water leakage was coming, many old men were running and falling on the stairs. By this, we can do this solution. When the siren was coming, when the low level of the tank, the people can go by walk itself. There was no problem, and they can on the motor. At the third day we had done this project. Like when we can see the street lights, even though when the morning occurs, we can see the street lights were still on. But here the electricity was wasting a lot. This project was innovated by our Eswar sir. How it was worked means, when the night occurs, automatically this LED light was on. When the sunlight occurs, this was the sensitive part known as LDR. This can be used as a sensor in this project. This will recognize that the daylight and the night mode. By this, it will send the signals to the bulb to glow or off. At the fourth day, it was so interesting day because at this day, our Eswar sir had shown the projector in that many different kinds of resistors, diodes, transistors, and capacitors, etc. And he had explained what are the uses of this, at which place we can use this, and etc. we are not just seeking the jobs, we are gathering the jobs. So I was satisfied by this project. I am requesting our Srinivas sir to conduct more projects and make our India to as a better students. So by this the rupee value will increased and we can make our India. We no need to import any objects from other countries. We can just export from other countries and we can. Thank you.